Well, is Yediyurappa in the reckoning in Modi's cabinet? The former Chief Minister met Narendra Modi at Gujarat Bhavan in Delhi. Amit Shah is also present in the meeting. Yediyurappa had earlier stated that Narendra Modi as well as the BJP top leadership would take a call on the issue of inducting him into the new union cabinet. And now with him going ahead and meeting Narendra Modi at the Gujarat Bhavan alongside Amit Shah, there's a lot of talk on whether Yediyurappa will be given a very prominent role in Modi's cabinet. There's been a lot of talk about whether in fact people like Yediyurappa, Sadananda Gowda and several other leaders from Karnataka would be given a berth or not. But of course Yediyurappa seems to be one of the top contenders from Karnataka, and after his meeting with Narendra Modi at Gujarat Bhavan in Delhi, there's a lot of talk about maybe Modi as well as Amit Shah planning on giving a very crucial role to Yediyurappa. We all know, of course, that he won by a huge margin in these particular elections, and also that Yediyurappa has been propagating Narendra Modi to a great extent. He even returned to the BJP fold, stating that he is someone who believes Modi should become the Prime Minister. So there's no doubt that he is a supporter of Modi. So will that work in his favor? Will he be given a cabinet portfolio? We'll have to wait and watch. But this particular meet with Narendra Modi and Amit Shah has definitely sent political circles talking about whether Yediyurappa will play a very important role in Narendra Modi's cabinet. And of course, besides Yediyurappa, Anant Kumar as well as Sadananda Gowda could get a cabinet portfolio. However, with Yediyurappa alone managing to go ahead and meet Modi, maybe he will be one of the top one. Maybe he will get a top spot in the cabinet. My colleague Harish joins us live from the newsroom with more information. Harish, in the likelihood that Yediyurappa is given a cabinet portfolio, what does it look like he will be given?
Well, Akshata, the first thing that has to be debated is whether Yediyurappa will be accommodated in the cabinet, at least in the first phase itself. Because remember, although he might have met Narendra Modi at the Gujarat Bhavan, he might have lobbied for a cabinet berth, he also is someone who has been very vocal about his support for Narendra Modi. Even before the party went ahead and announced Narendra Modi as the Prime Ministerial candidate, he was someone who wanted the party to pitch him in.
Right, Harish, we'll come back to you for more information, but as he pointed out, there's a lot of talk about whether he will get that particular berth or not. Yes, he is someone who is a Modi supporter, but at the same time, we have to keep in mind that he's had his fair share of controversies. So because of the same, we could be looking at him taking a back seat, but will he be one of the top ministers is something that we have to wait and watch. There's no doubt there's a lot of talk on Yediyurappa's role, and from Karnataka, all those ministers, all those MPs would be vying for a cabinet berth. If in fact anything fruitful has come out of this meet, there's no doubt that Yediyurappa will be given a very meaty role in Modi's cabinet. And of course, it was a small meet just between him, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. Considering that Amit Shah is Modi's right-hand man, there would have been a lot of talk, a lot of lobbying on the part of Yediyurappa, while Modi and Amit Shah would have tried to figure out exactly which is the best way to go when it comes to Yediyurappa. Well, Harish, coming back to you, as you pointed out, of course, Yediyurappa, there are a lot of issues to debate about. But speaking about Karnataka, who are the other top contenders for Modi's cabinet?
Well, one of the top contenders and someone who's sure shot to get a cabinet berth is Anant Kumar, a six-time MP, someone who a big fish like Nandan Nilekani from Bangalore South with a very good margin, so he is sure to get a cabinet berth. Remember, he's one of the Delhi boys in the BJP. He's identified in the core group of the BJP. Although a slight glitch may be the fact that Anant Kumar is someone who's identified with the LK Advani camp. So there are speculations doing the rounds that Narendra Modi might not give him a very important or a key portfolio that will be given to Anant Kumar. They are saying that he might be given one of the low-profile portfolios, but he is sure shot cabinet minister from Karnataka as far as BJP is concerned. The only question is what will he get. The second name that is doing the rounds is that of D.V. Sadanand Gowda from Bengaluru North. Remember, he's a party loyalist. He had quit from the post of the Chief Minister on the demand of the party when Jagdish Shettar was made the Chief Minister. He's someone who's close to the BJP High Command and the RSS as well. And also the fact that he's a Vokkaliga leader from Karnataka will also make it that much more easier, and he's already in Delhi. He's already made it clear that he is one of the ministerial aspirants as well, someone with a clean record. So it is being speculated that he might get a berth in the cabinet, or if in case the BJP decides to go ahead with only very few posts for Karnataka, then he is likely to get a MOS at the very least. That's what is being speculated. The case of Yediyurappa is interesting because although he might be lobbying for a central berth, he is a powerful leader from Karnataka. You like it or not, he is a strong leader of the BJP, this Lingayat strongman. He has showed his strength by coming back to the party and consolidating votes. But the only fact is that there are several cases still pending against Yediyurappa, whether it's the illegal denotification. These are some of the charges that are pending against Yediyurappa. And Modi, who wants to form a key government, might not be in a mood to take the risk of inducting a tainted MP in his staff.
Right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. But of course, the question is, will Yediyurappa be given a seat in Modi's cabinet or not?